Black Panther, leaders are made, not born.
The noble king of a secretive African nation selflessly protects his people. But leadership is service, and Black Panther must be king to all. The Eastern African nation of Wakanda was full of secrets and surprises. It was one of the most advanced countries in the world, but you would never know it from the outside. Its futuristic cities and technology were all built with vibranium, a special metal found only in Wakanda. For years, Wakanda's kings kept the nation's great secrets hidden from the rest of the world. Each king also protected Wakanda as a masked warrior known as the Black Panther. After King T'Chaka died, his son Prince T'Challa took over as the new Black Panther. He had to learn to be a leader. He made the incredibly tough decision to introduce both Black Panther and Wakanda to the rest of the world.
If you want to be a leader like Black Panther, you need to have a good group of people supporting you. Black Panther had many smart people with him, like his mother, Ramonda, his sister, Shuri, and his friends, Nakia and Wakabi. If they did not agree with Black Panther, they told him. Instead of ignoring their constructive criticism, Black Panther listened to his friends to help make his decisions. If you are the captain of a sports team or lead a school club, make sure you listen to everyone's ideas and not do only what you want to do.
Black Panther became a great leader by listening to what others have to say and being open to constructive criticism. Listening to everyone means everyone. It is easy to listen to your friends and family members, but it is just as important to listen to people you may not like. When the villain Killmonger tried to take over Wakanda, he planned to do many bad things. Black Panther stopped Killmonger, but he also learned from the bad guys that the world needed Wakanda's technology. Killmonger definitely wasn't offering constructive criticism when he almost killed Black Panther, but he still helped the hero see how to do things better. Yes, even bad guys can have good ideas when they're not thinking about taking over the world.
If you get assigned a group project with someone you do not like, you still have to do the project. Even if the person is not nice to you, they could have some good ideas about the project. You should listen to them like you would listen to a friend.
Zap! Constructive criticism is a way to tell someone how they can change or do something better.
Never settle for good enough. Black Panther's little sister, Shuri, was one of the smartest people in the world. He trusted her to be in charge of making all of Wakanda's technology because she was a great inventor. Black Panther liked the suit he wore in battle, but Shuri wanted to make him an even better one. Shuri taught him an important lesson when she said, "Just because something works does not mean it cannot be improved. Leaders should always try to make things better." See, even younger siblings can teach you stuff.
Hard choices. Being a leader means making decisions that not everyone will be happy about. A leader cannot make everyone happy. Black Panther upset both his friend, Wakabi, and the leader of his army, Okoye, with choices he made about Wakanda. Sometimes you might have to make a tough choices that your friends will not like. Here are some examples.
If you pick someone else to play on your team instead of your friend in order to be fair. If you have to miss a play date because you have plans with your family. If your friend tells you a secret, but keeping that secret means somebody could get hurt, you tell a parent or adult.
Black Panther's leadership changed the way the world looked at Wakanda. His kingdom trusted him with its future. When you are a leader, always remember you are making choices for many people. You need to do what's best for them.